Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Shilo Inn Suites Tillamook. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Shilo Inn Suites Tillamook. Located half a mile from the Tillamook Cheese Factory, this Tillamook Bay hotel offers free Wi-Fi and an indoor swimming pool and hot tub. A counter with sink, microwave, small fridge and coffee-making facilities are provided in each room at Shilo Inn Suites Tillamook. A cable TV with premium channels is also included. A fitness center with sauna are available for guest relaxation. A business center is located on site at Tillamook Shilo Inn Suites. Fishing charter services in Tillamook Bay are 7 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.